Rising in the warm Aegean winds of Izmir, the ancient city of Ephesus is one of the world's best-preserved ancient cities, boasting thousands of years of history. Considered the capital of the Asian province during the Roman era, Ephesus, thanks to its location at the heart of trade routes, became a center of great wealth, culture, and dynamism. Today, this historic city takes visitors on a journey through time. The magnificent Chariot Street, which greets you upon entering the city, reveals the urban layout of the period with its marble stones, columns, and statues. This street was the main artery through which daily life flowed, leading to temples, baths, and important buildings. This road was once filled with the footsteps of merchants, philosophers, and travelers. Today, it still bears the vivid traces of the past. The Library of Celsus, one of Ephesus's most famous structures, is known as one of the greatest libraries of the ancient world. The fine craftsmanship on its exterior, the statues, and columns are among the most impressive examples of Roman architecture. This structure, which housed thousands of scrolls, was a symbol of wisdom and learning. Even centuries later, it retains its magnificence and continues to fascinate visitors about another magnificent structure in the city. The Ephesus Theater, with a capacity of 25,000 people, was one of the largest open-air theaters of its time. It served not only as a center for entertainment, but also for social and political events. Thanks to its excellent acoustics, even the slightest sound on stage reached the entire audience. Even today, this atmosphere gives visitors goosebumps. The terrace houses of Ephesus were private residences adorned with mosaics and frescoes, where the city's elite lived. These houses reflect the lifestyle, aesthetics, and wealth of the ancient period. Preserved wall paintings, kitchen areas, bathrooms, and traces of daily life provide visitors with a vivid picture of how a family lived in the Roman period. One of the most sacred structures in the ancient city is the Temple of Artemis, considered one of the largest temples in history. Although only a few fragments survive, it was once considered one of the 7 wonders of the world. Ephesus was both an economic and religious center for its people. The festivals, ceremonies, and rituals held there shaped the spirit of the city. Walking through Ephesus today, you touch not only the stone structures, but also the stories of the people who have lived here for thousands of years. Your footsteps echoing through its streets connect the past and the present. The ancient city of Ephesus is a captivating representation of history, culture, and humanity's shared heritage. This ancient city draws you in with every step, offering visitors an unforgettable experience.